Alright, there's a lot of debate whether you should build your own custom computers or just buy it off the shelf. I'm going to tell you why I like to build my own custom computers and why someone like you might just want to buy it off the shelf. There's pros and cons to both. It really depends on your situation and there's no right or wrong. Alright, so the reason I like to build my own computers, one is because I like to control the type of parts that go into it. If I buy one off the shelf, then it might have a processor that I want to upgrade later anyway, or maybe it's just not powerful enough for my tastes, and that goes for any component. Another reason is I enjoy doing it. I think it's fun to watch my computer being built by my own self instead of just buying it off the shelf. I like to maybe put my own heart into it, as to say. And the third reason is that typically it's easier to upgrade a computer that you build yourself because most store-bought computers are pretty much locked down. They make it hard to upgrade and replace parts. So those are my three reasons why I like to build my own computer. Now, a reason you might want to buy your own computer just right off the shelf is mainly because it's easier. If you're not someone who's going to be doing a lot of gaming and you need super high power processors and video cards and you just are going to be doing basic stuff, by all means you should just buy it off the shelf. You're not going to need to custom pick all your components specifically for your purposes. Also, if you buy a computer off the shelf, it's generally going to be cheaper. This isn't always true, but it is true in general. And the third reason is that when you buy it off the shelf, you're going to get support from the computer manufacturer. If you build a computer by yourself, you're on your own with tech support. There's not going to be any companies that are going to be able to help you if something goes wrong. But if you buy one from Dell, for example, you can call them up, have them fix something if it's broken, and that's really a positive. Whenever something goes wrong with my computer, I generally have to fix it myself. Now, it's hardly ever a hardware issue. It's usually software, which I'm good at fixing, so it's not a problem. But if you're not really familiar with computers, I highly recommend just buying one off the shelf because it's definitely going to be good enough for your purposes. So those are reasons why you may want to build a computer or just buy one off the shelf. If you were maybe on the fence or you were just curious why some people want to build a custom computer, I hope this helped you. So as usual, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I make a new video every week. And I also have a comedy channel if you're into that. Also, follow me on Twitter. I usually put videos and comments about both my channels on there. And also, like the video, leave a comment if you appreciate it, and thanks for watching.